Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the top 3 rice cookers in detail briefly. The best rice cooker links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. This rice cooker is a type of rice cooker that uses both Neuro fuzzy logic and conventional cooking methods to cook rice. This 5-1/2 cup rice cooker and warmer makes 10 cups of cooked rice and includes a variety of cooking functions comprising of white, regular, sushi, softer or harder, mixed rice, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. This unit uses a black thick spherical pan with stay cool side handles that provides even heating for better cooking. Advantages: programmable melody or beep audio indicator, extra large easy to read color LCD display, non-stick inner pan. Number 2. Cuckoo CRPP1009SW Rice Cooker. This 10-cup rice cooker can also be used to cook other foods. It has a steaming basket for cooking vegetables and a keep warm function to keep food warm after it is cooked. This multi-functional cooker has fully customizable menu options that feature preparation all types of different rice and grains, a reheat option for leftovers, and a keep warm function to ensure none of your foods are ever overcooked or burnt. Featuring a stainless steel inner pot with X-wall non-stick diamond coating ensures optimal temperature and heat distribution throughout the cooking process and is also ultra durable. Advantages: heating plate pressure, 13 menu options, quick and quality cooking, durable stainless steel inner pot. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker. This programmable rice cooker is a great choice for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use rice cooker. This cooker can cook up to 8 cups of rice at a time, making it perfect for large families or groups. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker also has a delay timer so you can set it to cook the rice at a later time, making it perfect for busy families. Advantages: 2-in-1 rice rinser, steam basket, versatile capacity, automatically shifts to warm after cooking.